Hey, what's up, guys? So I finally got tired of screwing around with this car, so we went to the junkyard and we got super lucky and ended up finding a Eclipse at the yard, and it still had its hard line. So I fished it out of there, out with this crap, and we got a nice used line here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there, hook everything up, and get this car back on the road. We also went to the junkyard, or I should say, while we were at the junkyard, we found the Lexus, and the trunk was all popped open and we could see the fuel tank. So we go in ahead and fish the fuel tank out of there as well. So we got a fuel tank for the Lexus. It's super clean inside, and there's already a fuel pump in there that might work. I'm gonna test it, of course. If it works, I don't know, I might just buy a new fuel pump for it. No point in using used parts. The fuel pumps are probably not even that expensive, so might as well just get a new one. But yeah, still need to get the key. We're kind of busy doing other stuff. Once we get that in there, we should be able to just turn it over and see if she'll start. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. It's not too bad. You have to kind of just flip that out of the way and hook the line up over there. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Alright, we got that used line in, and so far, it's good. No leaks. As you can see, it's the fitting connected. It runs back there. You gotta move this out of the way and then move this piece of plastic out of the way. It's really easy, and then you'll see how the line connects back there. But yeah, everything's back on. We got fluid in it. We got a little bit too much, so it's probably gonna overspill a little bit, but it's all right. We just kind of mop it up. Yeah, this car is officially good. It's really, really dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good wash, and that's it. That's it for the Talon. She's ready to serve the people. That's it. That's the Talon. There she goes.